It's time to focus on business now. Not good news for gold or the Canadian dollar. Business editor Mike Eppel joins us now. Mike, once again, seeing both the dollar and gold dropping.
Yeah, the price for gold this morning is down for the 11th day in the past 12. It has been a lot to do with what the U.S. dollar has done. Specifically, this morning it's up again against most of the major currencies. Gold typically trades inverse to the U.S. dollar. And you add to the mix some signals in from China's economy overnight, where manufacturing output basically fell to the lowest level in 15 months, so that means less demand for things like gold, silver, platinum, copper, base metals, even oil, all added to this. And guess what? Every time we've seen the commodities drop, so does the Canadian dollar, which is down to 76.5 cents U.S. this morning. It is down by about 1/4 cent on the day. The exchange rate now above $1.31. All of this leading to a negative start to the trading day on the Toronto stock market, which is down for the 6th day in a row going in. Now, we are looking at some big winners on the market. I can't remember actually if I've ever seen this before. Shares of Amazon.com are up by $100 right off the bat. Now, they trade above 500. Keep that in mind. So it's an expensive stock to begin with, but nevertheless, a 20% jump for the world's largest internet retailer because it made $92 million. It's not a lot of money, considering it did over $20 billion in revenue year over year, but they actually made money, and that's an interesting point, because Jeff Bezos, the CEO, basically just wants to grow Amazon.com, and they just invest all the money they make into the company. In this case, they said, you want a profit? We'll make some money and show you a profit, and that's what they did, and investors are buying the stock big time. And we're watching, incidentally, Amazon.com now worth more market-wise than Walmart. Go figure. Starbucks, right off the bat this morning, up 5%. It's at a record high as the world's biggest coffee house chain reported stronger earnings, and they raised their guidance. That's a lot to do with the United States and here in Canada. We're willing to spend more on a cup of Starbucks latte, and that is just leading to higher profit margins. Net result, shares going up. Overall, though, a mixed start to the trading day on Wall Street. Have a good weekend.
You too. People love their coffee. So do I. Thanks,
Indeed.
Mike. Have a great weekend. That's business editor Mike Eppel. You can hear Mike on 660 News at 26 and 56 after the hour.
BT's Market Report is brought to you by 660 News.